Hello, good morning, NPC Grade 1 Tunas Daud. Nice to see you again here. Okay, so today we learn science again. Now we learn about sorting materials. Okay, so what we learned last time in sorting materials, you know already what kind of material and what the material made of. Okay, so at this time Sagusti going to talk about sorting material, the material that we have to sort the material and we have to collect them. Okay, and for a while Sagusti going to explain to you uh, one by one so you can understand very well how it's work to sort the material. Okay, all right then. So today the words of the day that we learn today is uh, one, sort, put things in the group. Okay, the one, sort, we have to put things in the group. So, and then the second one is recycle. Now recycle, that we have to put item into the new item. Yeah? Put the new item into the new item. So this is what you learned. You can take something and we don't need to throw it away because we still can use this thing. We can use for something else, right? For example, the bottles. Okay, sorting materials group based on their property. Eh? This is what we learn, how we sorting the material into the group based on their property. Okay, right. And the next one that we learned about the things that the material that we put into the group. Sorting material can be sorted into the group based on their property. Okay, good. For example, how could you sort this object? You have to look carefully. So in here Sugusti having Lego, and Sugusti also have rubber bands, a lot of rubber bands, and we Sugusti also have bottles here. You see, the bottles you can put the water, and you Sugusti also have a dress in here. Dress, I think it look like rocks. So now you can see which are flexible object. In here you can see which one is flexible object between these four things. So we can sort to the group now. So here in the left side, the example, the Lego, rubber band, bottles, and then the dress. So we can choose which one is flexible. Is it Lego, bottles, the dress, or the rubber bands? What do you think? Who know which one is flexible? Are there bottles? What do you think? So let's see which one is the flexible one. Okay, if you don't know, you can have a look. So which one is the flexible one? So in my opinion, the flexible one is a rubber band. Let's see if you are right. If you say the rubber band, you can put on your hair, you can tie your hair with the rubber band, is the flexible. Are they flexible, this rubber band? We will see if they're flexible. Okay, so let's see. 3, 2, 1. Is that correct? Is that flexible or not? How about you? Jita, Keanu, Kimberly, Kimi, do you know which one flexible? Yes, that one. Yeah, so the rubber band is flexible. Yeah, I am sure Benedict also know about this. Yeah, okay. Mostly the girls used to play with the rubber band to tie the hair, and to play with as a toys at home. So, and another flexible one in here. Is there anybody know? How about Evelyn, Peter, Garen, Darrell? Do you know which one is flexible? Are the bottles flexible? Or the Lego? No, this is the rock is flexible. Alright, then. So the next one we learn about which are see-through object. So we have a spoon, glass, bottles, and we also have a window glass and hanger, and then also the I could see here Tupperware. So which one is the see-through object? See-through object is the object you can see through. Okay, so let's short this material. Let's short this material. Which one is we call see-through materials? Are there spoons, see-through materials, or glass, or bottles, or the hanger for the clothes, or the window glass? Come on, who know that? Maggie, do you know which one's the see-through material? Or if anybody know? So if you don't know, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Which one is the see-through material? Look at this. We have glass in here. The glass for drinking water. This one is see-through material. It's made of glass. Yes, it's made of glass. You have to be careful because this one, when it's falling down, is a little bit dangerous for your feet. Yeah. So, and the next one is bottles. Bottles is the material, see-through materials. You can see through it. Yeah, you can see through of these things. Okay, so we have glass and we also have bottles. And the next one we also have this Tupperware. We can see through also of this material. Yeah. And the next one, how about the spoon and the hanger for the clothes? Is it see-through? No. So we have window glass. Window glass, we can see through of this material. Okay, so for example, you can see from the window, you can see from the glass of the window what's happened and what is behind the window. So the number 2 now, recycle, and in Indonesia we call daur ulang. In Indonesia we call daur ulang. Okay, so daur ulang in Indonesia. So I'm sure your parents also know about this, how you put the recycled things together. Okay, all right, so let's see which one is we can say as a daur ulang. So which one is we can use recycle, because this one is very important. Very important to know which one is we can use as a daur ulang or recycle. Yeah, because some of things we still can use for something else. For example, we can use the bottles for do something else interesting. So in here we have what kind of material that can we recycle it. For example, patchwork. This one patchwork we can use as recycled. Yeah, we can use for a lot of things. For example, we can use the table cover, and we can use curtain. We can use something else as the things that we can use at home, so we don't need to throw it away. So for example, in here we have fabric can be recycled. We have patchwork. You can use this as a brush. Mostly the women, the girls, they use this patchwork as the brush, so you can put on your clothes. So this one is fabric can be recycled too. Okay, so do not throw any fabric. For example, you have a clothes that you don't use it anymore. You can use for something else. You can use for something else, or you can give to somebody. Maybe they will need more than us. Okay, so this one that we have, the fabric can be recycled, and the example is patchwork, and we can use as a brush that we always see the woman who wearing this. Okay, anybody know what else you can use with the fabric? What kind of things that we can use for doing the fabric? So we can use as a recycler. So I'm sure you also know how to do it. Yeah, you can do it at home. And then we have in here the plastic bottles. The plastic bottles in here we can see, and we can use as straw can be recycled into the pens holder. In here you see the bottles, the plastic bottle we can use as a pens holder. Look at here. Next time when you go back to school, we can do together how we make the pens holder. We can make it together. Look in here. Used bulk and ex-used paper can be recycled into pens holder too. So if your pencil too small, you can use ex-used paper. You roll the paper, and then you can use as the pens holder. And here it will be very interesting. You can see the recycle unuseful things into the new things. The things that you think that is unuseful, you wish to throw it away. This thing could be new things, could be very interesting. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you understand about this recycling. Yes, okay, bye bye, see you soon.